Lecture 8, Myth and Misconception about Tuberculosis. Namaskar, welcome to the Lecture 8 of our Tuberculosis Awareness Series. Today we will clear the air around TB by addressing the most common myths and misconceptions. False belief leads to fear, stigma, and delay in treatment. So let's separate facts from the pitch. The main content is why do we myth about tuberculosis exist? Why do myth about tuberculosis exist? One is the lack of awareness, cultural belief, and fear lead to many misconceptions. This myth causes patients to hide symptoms or avoid treatment. So fighting TB also means fighting misinformation. So what are the common myths? Let's talk common myths versus scientific fact. So we'll start with myths and facts. So first is myth. TB is spread by sharing foods, utensil or touch. The fact is TB only spread through air from a person with active lung disease, that is sputum positive. Second myth is a TB is a hereditary disease. The fact is TB is an infectious disease, not genetic or hereditary disease. Third is a TB patient must be completely isolated. The fact is TB patients are usually non-infectious after 2 to 3 weeks of proper treatment. Fifth is a TB is always fatal. The fact is TB is curable with timely and complete treatment. It is a curable and preventable disease. Myth. TB only affect the poor. The fact TB can affect anyone regardless of social status. Myth. BCG give lifelong protection. Fact is a BCG protect children from a severe TB but doesn't prevent all form of TBs. Myth is a TB is caused by smoking or cold weather. The fact is TB is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, a bacteria. Myth. One can stop medicine once symptoms improve. Fact is stopping early causes drug resistance and worsen TB. It can also result in a relapse. How do you, how to tackle stigma and misinformation? Educate family, schools and communities. Promote open discussion about TB without shame. Use platforms like radio, social media, and local leaders to spread facts. Encourage TB survivors to share their stories to inspire others. The closing point is, so the friends, TB is surrounded by many harmful myths, but science and awareness are the cure. By breaking this false belief, we can reduce fear, encourage treatment, and protect lives. In the next lecture, we will talk about TB and comorbidities like diabetes and HIV. So, like, share, and subscribe to keep the spreading truth and health. Tagline is breaking the myth, beat TB. Thank you.